It's on us to stop pretending that sexual assault and violence aren't issues.
It's on all of us to not look the other way.
It's up to us to get consent. We can change our culture.
It's on us to respect ourselves and others.
We need to communicate.
We need to prevent sexual assault and relationship violence.
It's on us to not blame victims.
It's on us to protect our teammates,
Our brothers.
our sisters.
Our friends.
Rape is a human issue and not just a woman's issue.
It's okay to ask if someone's okay.
It's up to us to look out for our friends.
It's on us to stand up for what is right, not what is easiest.
You can change a situation.
Divert, distract, get help.
Say something.
Anything.
It's on us to believe survivors.
It's on us to stop sexual assault.
It's on us to support, not to blame.
Words are powerful. Call someone out if they're talking about someone in an offensive way.
Stand up, Monmouth, because it's on us.
It's on us to be role models for how all Scots should be treated.
This is Monmouth College. It's not you and me, it's all of us.
It's on us, all of us.
It's on us to look out for others.
It's on us to get our friends home safe.
It's on us.
It's on us.
It's on us.
It's on all of us.
At Monmouth College, we foster healthy relationships and communication. Talk about the issues, learn about respect, because it's on us. It's on all of us to end sexual assaults and dating and domestic violence.